Hi, my name is Mowliidcube. Today I'm going to show you how to do a telnet from your computer to router. You ping it from your computer and you're managing the router here. Like for example, telnet is it's like a where you can connect to your work from home or from different place. Like when you are not in a workplace, you can do telnet, router from home, or you can do your work while you are away, like a holiday. So what you get to do is just go to the router, type config terminal, line console 0, password 123, login, exit, line VTUI 04, password 123, login, exit. When we did this, later on when we accessing from the computer, we will be asked where the system will ask us enable mode, and then we have to do an user we have to do a password, enable password from here in order to get it from there to here. Otherwise, let's try it now, and I'm going to show you what will stop us to get into the router. Okay, Telnet, Telnet, one. It's not connecting. Let's try another computer. Let's try that one. Telnet. And then so when we are here, we can't go to the router because we are enable mode will stop us. We can't do anything. Like let's say enable, we can't go through because we have to set a password from the router. Let's go back to the router. And then we will be able to get into the router when we've done it, and when we set the password enable. Okay, there's a now. 1, 2, 3. So now we are able to access router from the computer, any computer. Let's try now. Before we were not able to get or to access router. Enable just ask a password. So now we can go into the router. Now we are in a router. Show run. So we are in the router. Show IP protocol. So so now we can access from computer. Let's say exit. No, if we say exit, so we're in the computer now. So we can ping no, so they can reach it. They can reach Telnet is the easy way to connect your router from anywhere you are. Like if you are in America, Europe, or Africa or Asia, you can access from there. Let's try the other router, which we have not we haven't done any telnet from the other router. We will not able to access. See, it's closed foreign host. Okay, let's go to this one. This is the one we try to access, but it's not set up. It's not setting up. Exit. Let's do enable password. So now we can do a telnet from this computer to the computer that we try to reach, from the router that we try to reach. See now? This is user is allowed to access. 1, 2, 3. Enable password. 1, 2, 3. We are in the router 2. I hope this lesson will be useful to you and will be easier to understand. If you have any queries, please let me know or contact my email mowliidcube@gmail.com and I'll help you. Thank you for watching, and I wish you to share with your friends who want to learn routing and switch, and share and subscribe for the future useful videos. Thank you. Bye bye.